Hey there, I'm Tim with OnSpot Social, and in this video I'm excited to share with you how to set up the OnSpot Social app. We've helped thousands of businesses connect with millions of customers and leads using our app, and we'd love to help you too. It's very easy to get started, should only take a few minutes, so let's take a look. First, I'm going to walk you through how to configure the app from our web admin. You can log in on our homepage in the top right hand corner. Then sign in with the credentials you created when you signed up. First, you'll be directed to the Reports tab. Here, you can view the total user interactions that you've collected on your iPad. You can also download and export any data, or use the random picker functionality to run a contest and select a random winner. Next, you can set up the app by visiting the App Setup screen and creating a new profile. You have the option to start with a blank profile or use a template for either email addresses or email addresses in social. Let's start with a blank profile. You have the option to choose from 4 separate layout options in either light or dark styles. Once you choose the layout option that you like, you can start adding interactions at the Interactions tab. You can choose from one of the 3 pre-configured interactions and drag them into the box on the left to add them to your iPad screen. You can also change the layout of this box and remove options by clicking the red X in the top left of the interaction. To create a new interaction, click here. Give the interaction a name and select a button design. We have quite a few different button designs available, or if you'd like, you can create your own and upload it here. Once you've chosen the design that you like, select it and hit Next. This is the interaction setup screen. To add interactions to the sequence, select the tile and drag it into the box above. A pop-up will appear that will allow you to configure additional options for each interaction. In addition to the data collection interactions shown here, you can also choose from 3 separate social media interactions to build your following on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Next, let's look at the integrations available. An integration will allow OnSpot Social to work with other apps you use, like Aweber, Constant Contact, iContact, or MailChimp. You can also add a tag, which will allow you to organize your data. Finally, there are several different general options for each interaction. On this screen, you can change the interaction icon that you've selected earlier. You can customize the interaction's background. You can also edit the thank you message and choose from a default, custom text, or image thank you message to be displayed upon completion of the interaction. You can also add a confetti animation and edit the disclaimer message that appears on each interaction. When you're finished, be sure to save and finish your interaction. Then, click and drag the interaction into the box on the left, which will add it to the iPad screen. Remember to save often so that you don't lose any progress. You can also customize the background of the app by uploading a new background here. Once uploaded, you can remove the text from the app message to make sure it doesn't interfere with your custom background design. Just to note, the text where it says your logo here will not appear on the app screen itself. You also have the option to display a screensaver when the app is not in use, and you can upload new slides by clicking this button. Finally, there are several different options on the General tab to allow you to enable sound effects, limit the usage to 1 entry per person if you're running a contest, and change the inactivity timer, which will set the amount of time before the app reverts to the home screen if a user does not complete an interaction. Once the app is configured to your liking, remember to save the profile, and then we'll jump over to the iPad to show you what it looks like. Okay, here's a view of the iPad screen, so we can take a look at the OnSpot Social iPad app. Once you open the app, you can log into your account, which will bring you to the app admin. Here you can select a profile or create a new one and edit the layout, upload your logo, add a message, edit your interactions, and change general settings. You can also view reports similar to the web admin. When you're ready to display your profile, you can select it and then hit Done in the top left. Let's take a look at the sequence we created earlier. Tapping the Start button initiates the sequence where we can add our name, email address, with a few hotkeys to make it really quick and simple, and answer the multiple choice question. Once completed, the thank you message will be displayed. And that's a quick look at how to use and set up the OnSpot Social app. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to send us an email to info@onspotsocial.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for checking out OnSpot Social, and we look forward to having you on board.